Good evening, children. Now I am going to explain about linking data and spreadsheet chapter. In this chapter, you may learn how to apply linking in different spreadsheets. How to apply linking feature in different spreadsheets. You may raise a doubt. Sir, why we have to learn this chapter? Why? Because if you want to update or if you want to edit any data in your worksheet, then you may enter new data in that cell and you may click on save. It's very simple. But you are maintaining number of sheets, you are maintaining large amount of data, huge amount of data. It is very hard to enter or edit in the type of sheets data. To avoid the type of situation, we may apply this type of linking feature in between those sheets. If you modify in any sheets, those modifications will apply in all sheets. No need to enter or no need to update each and every sheet. That's why we are going to learn about this feature. See here, linking spreadsheet data enables you to keep the information updated without editing in multiple locations. Now only I told you, no need to enter in all sheets, no need to update in all sheets if you are maintaining multiple worksheets. You know about Excel spreadsheet. If you open a new book, then it will open 3 worksheets defaultly. If you want to add many more worksheets to your file, you may click on add button or plus button, then it will add new worksheets every time. Here, if you are maintaining multiple worksheets to maintain your data, no need to update or no need to modify in each and every sheet. If you apply this feature, the ability to create, see here, the ability to create links eliminates the need of having identical data entered and updated in multiple sheets. So no need to enter same data again and again. No need to enter same data in all worksheets. It saves your time and energy and reduces errors also. It saves our time and energy and it will minimize errors and improves data integrity. Already I told you in previous classes. Data integrity is very important while you are entering data into your worksheets. So you can achieve this data integrity if you apply this type of feature in multiple worksheets. Okay. Now, how will you set up multiple worksheets? Here is the some data. You know about how to open a worksheet. See here, I have typed some data in Excel worksheet. Children, see in your textbook, page number 171, they have given 2 images. First image tells about tiger census in state wise, and they have given some years 2010, 2014, 2018, and another image, it is displaying number of tigers. It is displaying total number of tigers. So I am taking this example for your understanding purpose. Now I have typed some data here. If you observe closely, this data is similar to in your textbook image. See here. In this, I don't want to open calculator, and I don't want to add all these numbers. I don't want to add all these numbers manually. I want to update these numbers automatically. How will I apply? How will I do automatically? If I apply linking feature in between these two sheets, then it will add automatically. If you want to create reference in between these two sheets, you may follow two methods, either keyboard method or using a mouse method, using a keyboard method or using a mouse method. Now I am going to explain about these two methods. See here. See children, first method is using a keyboard method. How will you use this method to apply that feature in between these two sheets? Means you have to open first worksheet like this, and after you have to open second worksheet like this. You have to type first worksheet like this, and after you have to type some data in second worksheet like this. Now I am going to apply this feature. See children, here one point is there. Open worksheet in which you want to create reference. Open worksheet in which you want to create reference. For example, open sheet 2. Now we are calculating total number of how many number of tigers are there. That's why I am opening sheet 2. That's why I am opening sheet 2 only. See here. Here I have placed my cursor point in this cell. You may raise a doubt. How will you find? Here is your cursor point. Already I told you in previous classes, this box will tell about that address. This box tells about that address. This is nothing but name box only. If you keep your cursor point mean, then it will display that cell address. See here. Now I have placed my cursor point here only, and after, to get the total number of tigers in the Uttarakhand state, type formula. They are telling you have to type this formula to get total number of tigers in Uttarakhand state. Now I am typing this formula. See here. Equal to sum of what they have given, tiger census. Here tiger census means this one only. Tiger census means sheet 1 only. I didn't give any name for this sheet. That's why I am using sheet 1 only. Instead of tiger census, I am using sheet 1 only. See here. Equal to sum of. You have to place your cursor point here only. Why? Because I am calculating Uttarakhand tigers. That's why I have kept my cursor point here, and I have typed equal to sum. This is a formula. equal to sum of, and after I have typed single quote, single inverted comma, and after I am typing sheet 1, what they have given, see here, sheet 1, after they have closed inverted comma, and after you have to say exclamatory mark, and after that cell address, that cell address means what is the range, B4 to D4. Here now I am using this cell address. See here, this is the cell address. What is this cell address? B4. Here is the B4 to D4. See here, now I am typing B4 colon means what? From here to there, this onwards to that onwards. Okay, from here to there, D4. Now I am closing this bracket. Now I am entering. Now I am clicking on enter button. See here, you have to click on the cell, and after click on equal to symbol and sum of single inverted comma, and after sheet 1 inverted comma close exclamatory mark. Here B5 colon means what? From here onwards to there, D5, bracket close, and click hit on enter button. Then it will display that result. See here, if you have any doubt means you may open calculator and do. See here, I have opened calculator. Now I am doing first one, what? Here I am entering these values. See here, 227 plus 340 plus 440. See here, the result is 106. Now I am, see here, plus 117 plus 173. So you may drag like this, then it will do automatically. This is first method, using keyboard method. Another method is there. What is the another method? See here, another method is there. It is very simple. Another method, it is very simple. Using a mouse. How will you use this method means, see here, now I am deleting this data, means formulas. First you have to enter like this, and after enter like this, and after you have to place your mouse pointer here, and after you have to type before the formula, and after you have to open sheet 1 with your mouse pointer. See here, now I am selecting this range. It's very easy. Now you have to close bracket and click on enter button. Then it will display that result like this. Now you may drag like this, then it will copy the formula. Children, understand ma? So like this way you may apply linking in between sheets. You may open number of sheets, 50 sheets, 100 sheets, 500 sheets, 1000 sheets. No need to worry about updation and modification. If you apply this link feature in between sheets means, if you modify, for example, now I am modifying this data. See here, it will modify immediately. See here, 30. Now I am changing for your understanding purpose only. Take it as an example. Now I am changing. See here. Then it will modify immediately. For example, if I keep zeros here, then it will change. See here, it will also change. For example, if I change this, you may also call this as cell reference, this as sheet reference and cell reference also. Okay, I hope you understand this lesson. Thank you, ma. Bye. I'll meet you in next class, ma. Thank you.